What are some common misconceptions about creating passive income that people should be aware of?
I guess to me, the biggest common misconception is that it's not necessary. It's extremely necessary, and making money for you. People think that when you're working at your job, even if it's a good job, it's going to do the job of making sure that there's money there. And that's kind of how they see passive income. My job is it. And no, ma'am, that's not it. Even if you're in real estate, if you don't take the money you make and do something with it where it's making money for you, you're going to be selling houses until you're 70 years old. And so to me, the most common misconception is that it's not necessary to build something outside of your good job, because some people do have a good job. I get that. But the example somebody gave me years ago was this. Imagine a 2024 Lamborghini. It's a beautiful vehicle. It can go from, 0 to 70 miles an hour in 0.08 seconds. And you look great in it. But I don't care how amazing that vehicle is, it cannot drive you to Hawaii because it's not the vehicle built to get you there. And so I don't care how good your job is, how much you love it and how exciting it is. Your job is just not the vehicle built to get you to financial freedom where money's coming in without you physically having to be participating in it.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.